physics, first chapter of all A-level physics. So the rounding of number. Whenever you are performing an experiment or whenever you are performing some numericals in physics, you also get a decimal, huge decimal number like 23.679843679667. So physician give us another way, and he tell us that instead of writing this huge number, you write it in a very simplified form like 23.68. So there will be a very little bit difference between this number and this number. So no huge difference is present between these two. No huge difference is present between these two numbers. So how we write this number instead of writing this huge number, or instead of wasting the time on and writing this huge number, how we write this huge number, we will all see in this topic, rounding of number. So in the first rule is that as the drop in digits in that even days. While if such type of situation comes 23.675, so it will be like 23.67 because the digits before the document is odd, so that's why I am writing that way. But in new books, we don't use such type of connection. We always add one. Either the digits before the document is either even or odd. So in both situations, I will get such like 23.6. So such type of result I will get in both cases, either that digit is even or odd. So this is all about the rounding of number.